Well, the second part of this tutorial is just to show you guys one more thing you can do with this sunset. Okay, just to sort of like draw birds flying into the sunset. So I'm gonna now show you guys how to make the birds just fly directly into the sunset. This is going to be a very short tutorial anyway. All right, so let's go back to Flash and so let's go into Flash development environment to see how these birds flying into the sunset was developed. It's quite easy and it's going to be a very short tutorial. So let's go. So back into Flash development environment, this is the sunset developed earlier on. So I'm just going to now create a new layer up there. So this new layer, I'm just going to call it birds. All right. So all I just need to now do is get this very bird symbol. If you watch my previous bird tutorial, you see how this symbol was created. So I just drag it on board here. So let's drag the bird. Yeah, that's the bird. Those are the birds. Now we have the birds on board. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to actually go to motion preset and select the default preset, then look for zoom. No, check this one out. Okay, zoom out 3D. So once zoom out 3D is selected, all I just need to now do is to apply the zoom out 3D. Once it's applied, you can see that. So now let me just try it out. You guys see what will happen with the zoom out 3D before I start editing the zoom out 3D. So let's just see what will happen. With the zoom out 3D, that's what happened. There's not enough frame. The zoom out 3D has actually created the frames that are needed. So all I just need to now do is to copy my other images across. So let me just do that now. So I'm going to close this. Okay. Okay, I have up to 60 frames. Select and just press F5 to copy it across. Now that's copied across. I have the frames up to 60. So let's test the scene again. Let's see what's gonna happen. So for now, that's what you guys can see. You can see the birds just sort of like fly and make a sudden movement, which is not good enough. So I'm just going to now enhance that and make it much better. So what I'll do now is stop the program. Let me just stop the testing. Okay, stop the testing, select the beds. These are the beds right there, you can see. So all I just need to do now is to pull this along straight into the horizon. Okay, once it's into the horizon, maybe just add, just extend the, just copy it across, extend the frames just to sort of like give it a smooth run. Okay, so let's see, that's about, now have about 115 frames. Let's go to 130. It happened after 130. Okay, so we have 130. Maybe come here as well, add more frames. Okay, 145. 170, 180. So let me just have a look at the very first frame here. Okay, what do we have there? Okay, frames in there. It's just to give the bed smooth run. So let's see what we have for now. So this is what I've done so far, sort of like extend the frame to about 260 264. That's about 264. So if I now go to control, run the program, and this is what you guys will see. The bed sort of like flies straight into the horizon, which is which I feel is very good. So I believe you guys can do something very similar. So let me just make it big so that you can see it. Okay, look at that. Can you see it? And here the bed comes now. See how beautiful that is. So I believe you can do something much better. So guys, that'll be all for this very tutorial, the second part of it. So I wish you guys good luck. I suppose you can do something much better. You have a nice day now.